consists of an infinite tape, and the tape is divided into cells. And each cell can either be blank or it can have something written on it. And then there's a read-write head. And finally, a Turing machine has a set of instructions. Instructions for what the read-write head is supposed to do. It can print a 1, it can erase the contents of the tape, and it can move left or right. Let me just illustrate it with a Turing machine for adding two numbers. I'm going to input 3, and I'm going to input 4, and at the end of all this, there should be a 7 on the tape. So how do we input 3? We're just going to input it with 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to leave a blank in between, and we're going to input 4. The tape head starts in this position, and the first thing it does is it moves right, reads what's on the tape, and it sees a 1. So the next instruction says, keep moving right until you get to a blank space. So it goes right, not blank, right, not blank, blank. And now the next instruction says, move right again until you get to the next blank space. So is that blank? No. Is that blank? No. Is that blank? No. Is that blank? No. Is that blank? Yes. And then the next instruction is write 1. Move left to the first blank space. Left, 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 blank. Move left again to the next blank space. Left, 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 blank. Move right, and erase. And now we repeat that whole procedure. Move right 1 space. Is there a 1 there? Yes. If so, move right to the first blank space, move right to the second blank space, and copy that 1. Back to the first blank space, back to the second blank space, and stops. Then it moves right 1 space and erases. And now it repeats the procedure again. Move right 1 space. Is there a 1 there? If so, move to the first blank space, move across that to the second blank space, and copy that 1. Then move back to the first blank space, move back to the second blank space, go right 1, and erase. And now we repeat that procedure again. Move right 1 space. Is there a 1 in that space? Oh no, there's no 1 in that space. Then you're done. Stop. And the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number 7 is written on our tape.
The instructions are just that simple. Go left or go right, or keep scanning the same square, leave what's on the square alone, or replace it by such and such. Nothing more than that.